Tiffany is eagerly awaiting the arrival of her baby girl in just a few short weeks. And the baby's nursery is nearly complete.
My name's Tiffany. I'm 9 months pregnant, and we're expecting a baby girl any day now. When we found I was a girl, I was so excited. We have a 20-month-old son, Jackson, who's into everything.
Ready for shake-up? Ready?
So for this baby, we had a sprinkle, and we got some amazing gifts. We got adorable outfits. We received the bedding as a gift before we were 100% positive we were having a girl. And we put it all together, and I realized it's a regular crib bumper where we had the mesh with Jackson. And I feel like the guidelines might have changed, but I feel like, why would a baby store sell something that's not safe for a baby?
With so much information available to parents along with the ever-changing safety guidelines, how can you tell if you're getting the right information? Today, Tiffany will learn her ABCs when it comes to keeping her sleeping baby safe. The sad truth is that many babies die from unsafe sleeping environments.
Hi, Tiffany. I'm Bridget with Cribs for Kids.
Which is the main reason Cribs for Kids is so passionate about educating caregivers.
My youngest brother had actually died from what was then deemed SIDS, but was actually due to an unsafe sleep environment. So the organization's mission is to make people aware and educate them about infant safe sleep.
Come on in. Here's the nursery.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
I love the pink.
Thank you.
Is gorgeous. I love everything. I like the accessories and everything.
Thank you.
The only thing I'm seeing here, though, is the crib.
Okay.
And did you get this bedding as a shower gift? Or?
We actually did. We got it before we knew we were having a girl, so it's kind of gender neutral.
It is gender neutral. It's really cute. But it doesn't follow our recommendations.
Right. Okay.
So we want the baby to sleep alone in a crib and on its back. So we want to remove the crib bumpers and any kind of loose blankets, the stuffed animals, anything in the crib. You want to be putting just the baby in the crib whenever you're putting him down for sleep.
Right, okay.
So I can show you some things to do with these crib bumpers that will allow you to still use them in the nursery here, but it'll provide the baby with a safe sleeping environment. And I know that you have a 20-month-old, so the recommendations have actually changed since then. I know that then they were actually recommending that the baby sleep in the same room as you for the first 6 months. And now the AAP is actually recommending that the baby sleep in the same room as you for the first year.
Okay.
And I have a solution for that also that I can show you that'll help you with that.
Okay.
I'm going to show Tiffany today how to decorate the room and not the crib. We can do lots of things. With the bumper pads, you can actually make them into a valance in a room, create a cover for a trash basket or even a diaper genie, things like that. There's many things to do with the bumpers.
Wow, looks awesome.
Hey, you like it?
Yeah, Bridget,
Great.
this is my husband, Noel.
Hey,
Hi,
Noel. Good
Pleasure
to meet you.
This looks amazing.
You like it? You recognize the bedding?
I sure do.
Yeah,
All right,
it's everywhere.
great.
It's awesome.
It looks amazing.
And so now you have a safe place for your baby to sleep whenever she's napping.
Okay.
Because of course then the AAP guidelines have changed. So when you bring her home from the hospital, this is where she'll nap during the day. But at night, you're going to want to have her sleep in the room with you. Okay. So we have a solution for you for that.
Okay.
So I'll show you that. It's the Cribette, and we'll go into the other room.
Okay, awesome.
To make it easier for parents and babies to share the same room for a year, Cribs for Kids created a pack-and-play type sleep system with the life-saving message ABC, which is there to remind every caregiver that babies should always be placed alone, on their back, and in a crib.
The idea behind the Cribette is to keep reminding the parents about the safe sleep message, the ABCs of safe sleep. So we have the safe sleep message on that Cribette, on the fabric. So if you take the Cribette to the babysitter, if the grandparents are watching the baby, there's that constant reminder of the ABCs, alone on the back and in a crib for anyone. It's an absolute educational tool to remind anyone about infant safe sleep.
And I like that it's portable and it's easily, you can move from side to side of the bed pretty easily.
Right.
So when he's on duty at night, every night, some nights, that we can easily move it over there so we don't have to switch spots in the bed.
Our goal and our mission is to truly help every baby sleep safer and to provide them with a crib if needed. So any family in need can contact any of our over 900 partners nationwide or Cribs for Kids directly at our website, cribsforkids.org, or if they're interested in purchasing a Cribette, they can go to amazon.com.
You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.